Hello students, in continuation of previous lecture, today we will solve exercise 10th B from Selena Concise Mathematics based on arithmetic progression. This exercise is based on basic formula for nth term of AP, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. जस्ट क्वेश्चन में गिवन कंडीशंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमें nth टर्म फाइंड आउट करनी है. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 10th बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन एन AP 10 टाइम्स ऑफ इट्स 10th टर्म इज इक्वल टू 30 टाइम ऑफ इट्स 30th टर्म. तो देखिए हम गिवन कंडीशन को मैथमेटिक्स की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. 10th टर्म मीन्स T10, इट्स 10 टाइम is equal to the 30 times of its 30th term. ये कंडीशन हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है and we have to find 40th term using this condition. Let's solve this. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. According to this, T10 will be A plus 9D and T30 will be A plus 29D. A is equal to 78 divided by minus 2D means minus 39D. Now we have to find 40th term. It will be equal to A plus 40 minus 1 into D means A plus 39D. Just A की value put कर दीजिए, that is minus 39D from here. So 40th term will be 0. Now we can generalize this result in an AP. If m times of mth term is equal to n times of nth term, then m plus nth term will be 0. It means if 10 times of 10th term is equal to 9 times of 9th term, then its m plus n means 19th term will be 0. This result will be helpful for MCQs and for competitive examinations. Come to next question. Question number 2. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Smallest 2-digit number is 10 and greatest is 3, but we have to take only that numbers which are divisible by 3. Smallest number which is divisible by 3 is 12 because 10 is not divisible by 3, 11 is not divisible by 3, 12. And the next will be 15 and the next 18. And the last 2-digit number divisible by 3 is 99. Now we have to find these number of terms, means number of terms in this AP. For this AP, first term is 12 and common difference is 3. Suppose there are n terms, then nth term is 99. Put the given values. And solve this for n. N is equal to 30 means there are total 30 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Come to the next question. Question number 3. Which term of AP this will be 130 more than its 31st term? क्वेश्चन में जो भी कंडीशन हमें गिवन है उसको हम मैथमेटिक्स की फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. Suppose nth term of this AP is 130 more than its 31st term, then nth term Tn will be 130 plus 31st term. Now Tn will be A plus n minus 1 into D, and according to this formula, its 31st term will be A plus 31 minus 1 into D. and A is 5 and D is 10. So put the values. N minus 1 is equal to 43, n is equal to 44. It means 44th term of this series will be 130 more than its 31st term. Required term is 44th term. Question number 4. Find the value of P if x, 2x plus P and 3x plus 6 are in AP. If these numbers are in AP, then the difference of two conjugative number will be same. If we take difference first two, it will be equal to the difference of third and second. After solving, you will get P is equal to 3. Next question, question number 5. If the third and ninth term of an arithmetic progression are 4 and minus 8. Third term is 4 and ninth term is minus 8. Which term of it is 0? First equation हम बनाएंगे third term से, second we will make from ninth term. Third term will be equal to a plus 2d is equal to 4 and from here a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. We will get the value of a and d. D is equal to minus 2. Now substitute this value of d either in equation 1 or in 2. From equation 1, d के प्लेस पर हम सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं -2, a is equal to 8. Now let nth term is 0. Then we have to find this n. Which term is 0? A is equal to 8 and D is minus 2. N is equal to 5, means fifth term of this series is 0. Next question, question number 6. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 87? We have to consider 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the greatest 3-digit number is 999. But our condition is divisible by 87. First number divisible by 87 and having 3 digit is 174, means first term of required AP will be 174. सेकेंड विल बी 87 से डिविजिबल चाहिए, मीन्स इसमें आप 87 ऐड कर दीजिए 261 एंड सो ऑन. एंड द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ दिस सीरीज कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? आप 999 को डिवाइड कीजिए 87 से. रिमाइंडर इज 42. अगर ये रिमाइंडर 0 होता तो ये नंबर डिविजिबल होता 87 से. तो इसको 0 बनाने के लिए हम 999 में से माइनस कर देंगे 42, 957. दिस इज द लास्ट 3-digit नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 87. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन दिस सीरीज. लेट इट बी n, then this term will be nth term. A is 174 and the common difference is 87 because we are taking the multiples of 87, and the last term nth term is 957. Now solve this and find the value of n. n is equal to 10 means total number of terms having 3 digit and divisible by 87 are 10. Question number 7. For what value of n the nth term of this AP and nth term of this AP are equal to each other? Two arithmetic progressions are given in the question. First is 63, 65, 67 and so on. And second is 3, 10, 17 and so on. Nth term of this series is equal to nth term of second series. For first series, first term is 63 and the common difference is 2. For second progression, first term is 3 and the common difference is 7. Now, according to the question, nth term of both the progression is equal. Put the values. A1 is 63 and D1 is 2, A2 is 3 and D2 is 7. N is equal to 13 means 13th term of both the progression is equal. Question number 8. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. First condition that is given in the question, third term is 16. The second condition is seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Now if first term is A and common difference is D, then third term will be A plus 2D and it is equal to 16. And seventh term A plus 6D, fifth term A plus 4D. D is equal to 6. Put the value of D in this equation. A is equal to 4. Now, AP will be first term 4, then second term A plus D, 4 plus 6, next term A plus 2D and so on, means 4, 10, 16 and so on. Next question. If numbers this and this are in AP, find the value of n and its next two terms. If these terms are in AP, then second term minus first term will be equal to third term minus second term because the difference of two conjugative terms will be constant. Then 4n minus 1 minus n minus 2 will be equal to 5n plus 2 minus 4n minus 1. N is equal to 1. Its next two terms also. N की value आप put कीजिए. First term is n minus 2. It means 1 minus 2 minus 1. Second term is 4n minus 1. 4 into 1 minus 1 means 3. And the next term is 5n plus 2. 7. Common difference is 4, so the next term will be 11 and next to this will be 15. 11 and 15 are next two terms of this AP. 10th question, determine the value of k for which these are in AP. Similar to question number 9. For AP, difference will be common, constant. So, second term 2k square plus 3k plus 6 minus first term equal to third term minus second term. k is equal to 0. Question number 11th, if ABC are in AP, show that these are in AP. If ABC are in AP, then B minus A will be equal to C minus B. Now, if 4A plus 4B and 4C are in AP, then we have to prove 4B minus 4A will be equal to 4C minus 4B. Consider the equation 1 and multiply this equation by 4. We will get 4B minus 4A is equal to 4C minus 4B. This is the required condition for being A4, A4B and 4C are in AP. For second part, we have to prove A plus 4, B plus 4 and C plus 4 are in AP. It means we have to prove B plus 4 minus A plus 4 is equal to C plus 4 minus B plus 4. Again, we are considering equation 1. On left hand side, plus 4 and minus 4. Similarly, on right hand side, plus add 4 and subtract 4. फर्स्ट और थर्ड की हम ग्रुपिंग कर रहे हैं और सेकंड और फोर्थ की ग्रुपिंग कर रहे हैं. C plus 4 minus B plus 4. Therefore, A plus 4, B plus 4 and C plus 4 are in AP. Question number 12th, an AP consists of 57 terms, of which 7th term is 13, and the last term is 108, and the number of terms are 57. It means 57th term is 108. Find the 45th term. 7th term will be A plus 6D. And 57th will be A plus 56D. Simultaneously solve कर लीजिए दोनों equations को for A and D. D is 19 by 10. Now substitute this value of D either in equation 1 or in equation 2. A plus 6D, D के प्लेस पर पुट कर रहे हैं 19 by 10 is equal to 13. First term is 8 by 5. So 45th term will be equal to A plus 45 minus 1 into D. A is 8 by 5 and D is 19 by 10. 85.2. Question number 13th. Fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times of its first term. Fourth term is 3 times of first term. If A is the first term, then it is equal to 3A. And seventh term exceeds twice the third term by 1. Third term का twice और exceed हो रहा है once. Fourth term will be A plus 3D and seventh will be A plus 6D, third will be A plus 2D. This D is equal to 2A upon 3. Put कर दीजिए. A is equal to 3. It means D is equal to Find the first term and common difference. So first term is 3 and common difference is 2. Question number 14th. The sum of second term and seventh term of an AP is 30. सेकेंड टर्म और सेवेंथ टर्म को अगर हम ऐड कर रहे हैं तो हमें मिल रहा है 30. इट नेक्स्ट कंडीशन इज 15th टर्म इज 1 लेस देन ट्वाइस ऑफ इट्स 8th टर्म. नाउ सेकेंड टर्म विल बी a plus d, सेवेंथ विल बी a plus 6d. And 15th term will be a plus 14d. 8th term will be a plus 7d. A is equal to 1. Substitute here. D is 4. If first term is 1 and common difference is d, then the AP will be, first term is 1, second will be a plus d, 1 plus 4, 5. Next will be 5 plus 4, 9 and so on. In an AP, mth term is n and nth term is m. Show that its rth term is this. Mth term will be a plus m minus 1 into d, that is n, and nth term a plus n minus 1 into d is m. चलिए साइमल्टेनियसली इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करते हैं फॉर a एंड d. a और d की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम m और n की टर्म्स में. d is equal to n minus m divided by m minus n means minus 1. d की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट कर दीजिए. सपोज इक्वेशन 1 में सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं, देन a प्लस m माइनस 1 d के प्लेस पर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू n. फर्स्ट टर्म a will be m plus n minus 1. We have to find rth term. rth term will be a plus r minus 1 into d. a और d की वैल्यू आप पुट कर दीजिए. a is m plus n minus 1 and d is minus 1. rth term is m plus n minus r. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. Question number 16th, last question of this exercise. Which term of this AP be 84 more than its 13th term? Suppose the required term is n. Then according to the question, Tn is 84 more than its 13th term. And for given AP, first term is a and the common difference is 7. a plus n minus 1 into d, and 13th term will be a plus 12d. a और d की वैल्यूज पुट कर रहे हैं. a is 3 and d is 7. n is 25 means 25th term will satisfy the given condition. Now we have completed exercise 10th B. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नई एक्सरसाइज की अनसॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ ही उसके कॉन्सेप्ट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, टेक केयर.